Think you need a lot of money to start a business? Well, think again. Today we're going to dive into how you can start a dropshipping business with absolutely no money up front. That's right, $0. If you've got a laptop, phone, internet, determination, and time, you're already halfway there. Welcome to today's video. My name's Ricky Hayes. I'm from Debutify, and in this video, we're going to cover everything from what dropshipping is to how to find products, build a store, market it, and then start growing and scaling. All without spending much at all. And yes, it is 100% possible. So let's get straight into it. So here is a brand that I've been working on incrementally using Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and SEO, influencer marketing, and building repeat customers. This all came from the knowledge of these types of videos with dropshipping, using those skills, understanding that I learned from many years, many failures and mistakes, a lot of stress, but resulted in building the skills and knowledge to build brands consistently. And that's what you're going to learn here today as well. The skills you need to build these types of brands time and time again. Because once you understand it, it really does become a methodical approach. So first things first, what exactly is dropshipping? In simple terms, it's a business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory. And here's how it works. When a customer buys from your store, you purchase the item from a supplier, let's say like on AliExpress, who then ships it directly to the customer. You never touch the product, making it low risk, incredibly beginner friendly, and flexible around your circumstances, okay? You don't need expensive hardware or expensive upfront costs. So why is it so popular? Well, there's three main reasons. Low startup costs, no need to buy products up front. You don't need expensive software either. There's a flexibility. You can work from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection to get online. And scalability, you can start small and grow without managing warehouses, so very easily. And you don't need years of experience. You don't need to have degree, you don't need to have all of that. You can learn all the essentials you need to get started now. There's also the high profitability. As you cut many expenses out of traditional retail or D2C business model, you can gain far higher profits by utilizing social media marketing as well as search marketing related ads or PPC. So is that sounding pretty good? Now let's move to the juicy part. How to do this with no money starting out to build your business in the beginning, the building blocks. A quick but important question that is asked a lot, is dropshipping legal? Well, the answer is yes, it is. As long as you're honest and transparent and follow the rules in your country and region and put customers first, then you're fine. Always make sure your business operates ethically, such as providing accurate product descriptions and clear shipping policies. If you're ever unsure, consult with your local laws or a legal professional or accounting professional. Your first step is picking a product. You can use tools like Google Trends to see what's trending, or even Amazon. You can browse eBay, Amazon to find products that are popular, but maybe not overly competitive. Okay, you can also use a variety of paid tools as part of that and a trial to get the premium features if you wish to use those tools without having to spend any money. Most of them usually have 1 to 3 weeks. Okay, so key things to look for are: does the product have a wow factor? Does the product solve a problem compared to a product that people want? So instead of just selling a t-shirt, sell a t-shirt that solves a problem. Maybe the t-shirt is specific for people with a specific skin condition. As a result, it becomes less of a want item and more of a necessity, which is translations for a need item. So by choosing a product that has a problem, it's always easier to market that way. A product that has good margins, and ideally a product that is likely to be purchased with at least one being purchased. A product that is focused towards women. Women are the main buyers in e-commerce, so make sure you keep that in mind. And a product that you haven't ideally seen that much, aka isn't incredibly saturated. And don't forget, a product that can easily be shipped around the world, because that's very important. There's also a lot to consider, but it is important to understand this so that you can market winning products consistently. Now, I understand at the beginning this can be a lot to understand and take in, but in order to market winning products, you need to understand this knowledge now so that you can build those skills. We have plenty of videos in the channel where you can check that out for more in depth. But step number 2 is you need to find reliable suppliers. So next, finding suppliers who don't require upfront payments. Platforms like AliExpress and Alibaba, even Temu, can help with dropshipping and are fantastic for beginners. Simply sign up for free, browse their catalog, and add products to your store through those platforms. Again, you can use simple tools like DSER, Zendrop, for example, to import products from and fulfill them through. There are plenty of choices out there though. Go with the one that you feel is best. Remember to read the reviews of the product and test the quality where possible to avoid unhappy customers later, as it does help. You can work with many suppliers to get a free sample, so you don't have to pay. You use the sample for marketing creatives, you use it to vet the quality of the product and make sure you're not going to have long-term pains. Now, step number 3 is you want to build your store. So here's where the magic starts to come together. Building your store. With a Shopify free trial, you can set up an online store without spending a penny up front. You can choose a clean, free theme like Debutify to make your store look professional in free mode, help increase conversion rates and average order value for your orders that are coming through. And again, once you get that set up, you can just focus on the marketing, okay? Which then again leads to step 4, which is marketing your store for free. Now, this part is the challenging part. How do you get customers without spending on ads? Here's how I would do it. Now, it does take time, but the reward is that you are not reliant on paid ads marketing and you start organically. Okay, so here's the steps that I generally do to build this organically. Create a free Instagram or TikTok business account and look at other viral accounts and content that has come out of their channel, social media channel. Typically, if the content is viral on one, it is also viral on the other. In other words, if it's viral on TikTok, it'll be viral on Instagram. Step 2, post every day. A combination of viral content and non-viral content. Make it authentic, make it real. It makes a massive difference. Step number 3, reply to comments and be consistent with this. It will take some time, but you can build a following, build that trust from people that will buy from you time and time again. That is so very important because you want to be a brand. Step number 4 is don't forget to use reels and stories. Posting as a vlog style, people love that. It's relatable, authentic, proves that you are a real business that listens to people. People want that. In addition to this, it is my strong recommendation to undertake SEO for your brand too. This does take time, and by time I mean months, but that is why it is worth doing so much. You can use tools like Google Search Console to get analytics of your SEO and build a blog providing value, and nothing more can make a huge difference as an additional sales channel. Blogs work wonders. Both of these can take, as I said, months and months to do, which is hard to do. But relying on ads is expensive, difficult, and again goes against the nature of this video of starting up for free, right? Both of the Instagram, TikTok, and SEO is the cheapest and best way to start with no money. Step number 5, handling orders and customer service. So at this stage, congratulations, your first orders are rolling in. Here's what happens next. When a customer buys from your store, you place the order with your supplier, let's say on AliExpress, who ships it directly to them. Now you can use a number of tools in the beginning to fulfill and ship. As I've said before, AliExpress, DSERs, and Zendrop, or you can even self-fulfill if you wish, but again, that costs money up front. Again, it comes down to your budget, but you can pretty much drop ship all of these items using a variety of those tools, whichever takes your preference. Make sure as well that you communicate with your customers. Send them updates and respond quickly to questions. Happy customers lead to repeat sales, no refund requests, and no disputes, and you have a good sustainable business. In addition to this, your business will be compliant, as there is a lot of compliance in e-commerce now and regulation coming into play that you need to be aware of also. Always be true to your customer as if you were the customer yourself, and how you want to be treated during this process. This is what differentiates you from all the businesses that won't succeed compared to yours. I see this time and time again. Please don't fall for that trap. It won't work for you long term. It's very important that you keep that in mind. Once you start making sales, you reinvest your profits. Add new products, improve your store, add tools like email marketing, and look at new sales channels things like influencer marketing, Google Ads, for example. Now, I personally recommend influencer marketing when you start scaling, as it converts far higher than paid ads, especially if you're using micro influencers. You can negotiate great cheap deals that can generate you a lot of traffic and revenue. If you're interested in that video, you can just watch it here. You can learn more about a step-by-step guide on how micro influencers can help your business. And just remember, improving your conversion rates is another element. By optimizing your existing traffic for more sales, you don't actually need to scale ad spend because you're just going to get more sales. Okay, so make sure that you use the right tools for that. As mentioned earlier in the video, a tool like Debutify theme is geared towards helping you improve conversion rates. Also, ask customers for reviews. You can use various tools like Review, Yotpo reviews, Debutify reviews can help you build more trust and rapport for your brand to build that long term, and it's all free. Additionally, I recommend you use tools like Google Analytics to find the highest converting pages on your website, demographics, location, and more, so you can focus your time on those areas that are doing best for your business and keep optimizing it. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. So don't forget about those tools. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your dropshipping business with no money to start. Remember, success takes time, effort, and creativity, but it's absolutely achievable. You can start with no money, but it is important that there will be costs involved down the road. This strategy is the strategy I have personally used multiple times to build brands and other brands in the past that works time and time again. So definitely this strategy works. So again, if this has been helpful, please give a thumbs up. Otherwise, thank you very much for your time. Take care and goodbye.